paper of realistic watercolor portraits. I'll be doing a demonstration for the Florida Watercolor Society this year. I'm honored to do it. We're going to be painting a little African American girl, and this is the photo I'll be using. I've been painting portraits for 30 years, and I want to share some secrets with you about how to get glowing skin tone colors. I use a lot of layering, and I want to share some recipes and some water to paint ratio ideas with you, how to keep soft edges, when to use hard edges. And so I'm looking forward to it, and I will see you there.